see here that we have finished all of the insulation down to the end of the left side of the bonus room, which would be the front of the house. We are actually able to start storing some stuff in the area that's going to be the storage piece. So that's been completed. It went very well, and you can see we're at the last two rafters over there, and we got that completed. And if you remember in my previous video, I was going to say that we were going to do something different on the other side. Now, if you'll notice, I've got all my baffles in all the way down to the end here. Take a quick look. And it comes right to the last two rafters here in the room and nothing on beyond that. That's because there's going to be a wall right here with a door that opens up to get to that area, and this wall will be insulated also, so you don't need it there. But the real question here is, why did I only go down halfway? Well, that's because if I were to take these baffles all the way down to the bottom, I would have to do the same situation as I did on the other side of the room and take it all the way across. I can't do that on this other side. I did it on this side because if you notice, it's closed off on each end and there's insulation, and it makes this whole entire area closed off. So I was able to go down to the bottom here and fill in the insulation. On the other side of the room, I can't do that because if I were to insulate all the way down to the bottom there, where the soffit is, I would have to insulate all the way down past here, all the way up into these roof joists, all the way down past to the other side of the house on top into those roof joists, because I don't have anything closed off. This section here is going to stay open, so it would be useless just to go down to the bottom where all the cold air is just going to come in and go right back into that space. So that's why we're only going down halfway. We're going to insulate down to this portion here like I've already done, and then once these walls are up, we're just going to come down with insulation in each one of these, between these studs and these walls, and this wall is going to be insulated all the way down to here, and then make a 90-degree turn. There'll be a wall right here. That wall will be insulated, making this entire bonus room insulated, including the ceiling. So that's what we're doing there, and we're going to try to get as far as we can, and it's actually worked out really well. And here's why. The distance from the bottom here to where I stopped the insulation is 13 feet. Well, each one of these insulation rolls that you see here is 39 feet 2 inches. You can see that right here, 39 feet 2 inches. So I can just cut it up into 13-foot pieces and I can get 3 rows done. It worked out actually perfectly all the way down. It's the same situation on this end. The distance from here all the way up to where I'm stopping with the insulation is 6'6". Well, that's half of 13 feet. So if I do my math correctly, I can get 6 rows done with 1 roll of insulation. So 6'6", 6'6", 3, 4, 5, and 6, and that'll make 39 feet. So it works out perfectly. So we're going to continue on. We'll follow up with another video here shortly. Most likely the next video will be starting to put sidewall studs in, and I'll explain that in the next video, and we'll go from there. So enjoy, and peace out.